cloudy because that's just what happens when we preserve it. But if I poke through
So
that,
like the same concept of just aging in a cataract form.
yeah, kind of. It's just like this cow's now got really bad cataracts, sort of. So the lens did the same thing. It got weird like that. So rather than me take a whole bunch of time, let's just look at the iris from the back. The iris is the muscle. It's the part of the eye that has the color. It's smooth muscle, but it's pigmented, unlike the rest of our muscles. So it's brown, blue, or whatever. And so that's going to be the muscle that's going to constrict or dilate to control the size of the pupil. Okay, so the pupil is just the hole.
That's an inferior something too, isn't it? Didn't you say that?
An inferior,
or an?
I mean, it's basically that's where it's in the anterior chamber. Yeah,
okay.
that's because that's where it's the ciliary body that's attached to all this stuff. The ciliary body is what's making the aqueous humor. The aqueous humor continues to drain out. The vitreous humor, the stuff that fills the whole ball of the eye, doesn't drain out. We just make it once when we're developing. And so then we're done. This part where it's all sticking right here, why would the retina stick to that spot right there?
Is that where a nerve was?
Yeah, exactly. So that's where, if you dissected all this stuff out, that would be where the optic nerve comes in right there. So that would be what the cow's blind spot, because there's no photoreceptors where all that stuff comes in. Okay, so you can see how tough this white part is. It's just like it's like super strong bristle. It's just really.
How did you say you can know the spinal cord, which is dorsal and which is ventral? Something about the shape.
Yeah, I'll show you. And it's real hard because those are now old. Those I made on Tuesday. So, and I'm not going to take the time to cut and stain new ones right now. But let me just show you on the board real quick how to.
In the picture in the book, obviously, I'm sure it's not as pretty or as easy to tell the difference, but the ventral kind of has a V, doesn't it? Or more of a solid V than the dorsal.
It's a fissure. Like in your brain, the big.
The dorsal has like these.
The big separations are fissures. So this is a fissure. You have a fissure right here between here and your cerebellum. And then the smaller ones, the small wrinkles that go down, are sulci. Sulcus is plural. Sulcus is singular. Sulci is plural. So it's similar with the spinal cord. You've got. You look at the spinal cord.